Welcome back. This is Explore Yuvraj. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and thanks for your love and support. So guys, exactly 1 year पहले मैंने मेरी बाइक ली है. So yeah, it's my bike's birthday. So yeah, let me take you all to the moment when I bought her. So yeah, let's go.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Hope you like the video. If yes, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also नए हो तो subscribe करना. And with that said, thank you for watching this video and making me part of your day. I will see you soon in the next vlog. Bye bye. Take care. Explore Yuvraj is signing off.